So the one thing that I tell people about the AAADV conference is that it's difficult to describe everything that it is because it meets the needs of so many individuals. Of course, we are all better off when we enhance the pace of developing new therapies. But there's so many aspects of drug development, the basic science, the development of new therapies, the testing of those new therapies, the endpoints that determine how effective and if they are effective, the care and consideration for safety or toxicities. All those things together are so important, but this conference is unique in that it's an open discussion with all the stakeholders on that whole process and how to improve it and make it better.